Students, welcome to Katti Mathematics and Science class. So let us continue circles part 4 exercise CBSE 10.2 state 4.2 problem number 6 exercise circles problem number 6 CBSE 10.2 state 4.2 10th standard. Yes. So the length of tangent from point A at a distance of 5 cm from center of circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of circle. So according to statement, first draw circle. Draw circle. Circle and the length of tangent from point A given. So external point is A. External point is A. From point A at a distance of 5 cm from center. The length of tangent from point A at a distance of 5 cm from center. At a distance of 5 cm from center of circle is 4 cm. So that length of tangent is 4 cm, and we have to find the radius of circle. Yes, radius of circle. Let it be O, let it be P. So you have to find the radius of circle. OP, the radius of circle is OP. Yes, students, let us find this radius. You know that the radius and the tangent, they are perpendicular at the point of contact. Radius and tangent, they are perpendicular at the point of contact. So angle OPA 90 degree. OPA 90. So reason is radius and tangent are perpendicular. See, radius and tangent are perpendicular. So OPA 90. Now if it is OPA 90, then apply Pythagoras theorem. Students, apply Pythagoras theorem. So square on the hypotenuse, OA square equals to square on the hypotenuse. So OP square plus AP square. OA square equals to OP square plus AP square. So Pythagoras theorem. Students, now substitute the values. OA square. OA is 5 square. OA is 5 square. OA is a hypotenuse. OA is 5 square. OP square, we don't know. OP is the radius. OP square plus AP square. AP is a 4 square. AP is a 4 square. So 5 square is 25. OP square, 4 square is 16. So bring 16 this side. 25 minus 16 equals to OP square. So 25 minus 16 is 9. So OP square is 9. Now take away the square. Remove the square, then it becomes square root. LHS, take away the square. RHS, square root. So OP equals to square root of 9. So 9 is the square of 3. So OP equals to 3 centimeter. OP equals to 3 centimeter. So OP is the radius and he has to find the radius of circle. So radius of circle is 3 centimeter. Radius of circle is 3 centimeter. Okay, students, you have to find the radius. So radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, fine. Now write next problem. Question number 7. Students, seventh problem taken. Two concentric circles. See here. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of larger circle which touches smaller circle. So according to statement, draw figure. According to statement, draw two concentric circles. Two concentric circles. Radii 5 and 3. Length of the chord of larger circle. Length of the chord of larger circle touches smaller circle. See here. Length of chord of larger circle touches smaller circle. That the length of chord of larger circle be AB. Length of chord of larger circle be AB. So it touches smaller circle. Radius of big circle is 5. So O is the center. It is of 5 centimeter. Radius of big circle. Big circle is 5. Radius of small circle. Small circle is 3. Radius of small circle. So radius of small circle is 3. Radius of big circle is 5. Let it be P. Now, see here. He has to find the length of chord AB that touches smaller circle. Students, you know that OP perpendicular to AB. OP perpendicular to AB. OP perpendicular to AB because OP is the radius of small circle. AB is the tangent. So OA, OP perpendicular, reason right? Radius and tangent. Radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. Radius and tangent are perpendicular at point of contact. Yes. Therefore, angle OPA 90 degree. OPA 90. Then apply the Pythagoras theorem in a triangle OAP. Apply Pythagoras theorem in a triangle OAP. So OA square equals to OP square plus AP square. OA square. OA square equals to OP square plus AP square. So OA square is a 5 square. OA square is a 5 square. OP square is a 3 square plus AP square. So 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9 plus AP square. So bring 9 this side. LHS. 25 minus 9 equals to AP square. 25 minus 9 is AP square, students. 25 minus 9, 16. AP square. AP square equals to 16. Now take away the square. Remove the square, then it becomes square root. So AP equals to root 16. Take away the square, it becomes square root 16. So 16 is the square of 4. So AP is 4 centimeter. AP is 4 centimeter. And he asked to find AB. Chord AB. We need to find the chord AB. So if AP is a 4, then PB is also 4. AP equals to PB equals to 4. If AP is a 4, PB is also 4, because the perpendicular drawn from center of circle in a 9th standard you study. Perpendicular drawn from center of circle bisects the chord. Perpendicular drawn from center of circle bisects the chord. OP bisects AB. So reason, right? In bracket reason, perpendicular is OP, drawn from center of circle. Drawn from center of circle bisects chord. Bisects chord. Perpendicular drawn from center of circle bisects chord. That is why AP4 PB4. AP4 PB4. Okay? Yes. Now AB. Length of the chord AB is 4 plus 4. It is 8. Length of chord. Length of chord AB. Length of chord AB is AP plus PB. AP plus PB. 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeter is the answer, students. Length of the chord AB is AP plus PB. So 4 plus 4, because AB that is perpendicular drawn from center of circle bisect the chord. If AP is a 4, PB is also 4, then AB is AP plus PB. So it is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Yes, students, understood? This is about the find the length of the chord of larger circle if the two circles are concentric. Concentric means the circles having same center but different radii. Say 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, different radii but center is same. Okay, students? Yes. Now take down 8th problem. Students, 8th problem. A quadrilateral ABCD is a drawn. ABCD is a drawn to circumscribe the circle. Circle outside quadrilateral is there. So that one circumscribe. If a quadrilateral is outside circle, then it is circumscribe the circle. If a quadrilateral is inside the circle, then it is inscribed in the circle. Is it not? So now the quadrilateral is outside. So a quadrilateral ABCD is a drawn, circumscribe the circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Yes, student. First, write given. First, take down given. Take down given. What is given here? So the statement itself is given. Statement itself is given. A quadrilateral ABCD A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Students, this is given. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. What is to prove? To prove AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. What is to prove, students? AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Yes, proof. Students, first write LHS. What is LHS? AB plus CD. LHS is AB plus CD. Right? LHS AB plus CD. It is LHS. So AB is AP plus PB. AB is what, students? AP plus PB. What is the CD? CD DR plus RC. CD is DR plus RC. So AB plus CD. So AB is what? AP plus PB. What is the CD? DR plus RC. Yes. Now, students, use the second theorem of circle, that is tangents drawn from external point are equal. Yes, AB plus CD LHS as it is. AB plus CD LHS as it is. What is AP, students? AP equals to AS. Tangents from external point are equal. AP equals to AS. So in place of AP, AS. In place of AP, AS. What is the PB? PB equals to BQ. In place of PB, BQ. BQ. DR. DR. In place of DR, DS. In place of DR, DS. RC. RC. In place of RC, CQ. Tangents from external point are equal. Tangents from external point are equal. So what we taken here? AP equals to AS. Is it not? So in bracket write reason. In a bracket reason. AP equals to AS. PB is BQ. PB is BQ. DR we taken DS. DR DS. RC CQ. So reason tangents from external point are equal. Reason bracket complete. Tangents from external point are equal. Now rearranging the terms, LHS AB plus CD as it is. LHS AB plus CD as it is. Students, we need AD plus BC. We need AD plus BC. So AD, what is AD? AD AS plus DS. AS plus DS. So rearrange. AS DS make one side. AS plus DS one side. AS plus DS one side. Now what is left, students? BQ plus CQ. AS plus DS, BQ plus CQ. Yes. Now underline two terms. AB plus CD CD. Students, see here. AS plus DS. AS plus DS is AD. So it is AD. BQ plus CQ is BC. BQ plus CQ is BC. Is it not? See that. BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ is BC. So AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. So this is the proof. This is the proof. AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC is the proof. Students, okay? Yes. Let us stop and we shall continue some more problems in the circles part 5. Okay. Thank you. One and all.